I've got my Margot Elena summer box. So if you want to see what delights are packed full in here, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's off doing her own thing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is the Margot Elena box. This is their summer box. It's a seasonal box, so you'll get one per quarter going on with the seasons will be their theme. And it is packed full of the Margot Elena brands, which are things like Archive, Library of Flowers, TokyoMilk, Cottage Greenhouse, Infinite She. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but oh, the Lollia line also. So they're always great scents, and I love getting this box. I will tell you that I do have sensitivity to some perfumes. I have not had any problems with any of the perfumes here. Somebody told me that they're not alcohol based, which that's usually what I have a problem with in fragrances. So that would make a lot of sense to me. I've never actually looked it up for myself. I probably should, so I can tell you guys for certain. But yeah, I haven't had any problems with the scents with migraines. The other thing that you're going to notice is the packaging. The packaging for all of the items are just beautiful. The boxes, the containers themselves, and just the box presentation. So you open it up, it tells you it's the summer Sublime box. There's a little card that goes over all of your products. And then there's the inside. So you'll see most of the items are wrapped in some tissue, one for their protection, because there's also some nice bubble wrap, but two, it almost makes it like a little surprise. Everything in there's a little surprise. Right on top is the TokyoMilk Marquis de Posay Light and Soul, Light and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. And there's a heart on there. And this is a $23 value. There are 9 items in this box with a total retail value of $224.50. And I think it's like about $60. And I use these hand creams. I have one in my bag that just smells amazing. I have one at work, which is a cucumber and mint. They're lovely on. That smells so nice. This is, usually it tells you, oh, here we go. Oolong tea, bamboo reed, orchid and air, and white musk. And you can see like there's pink to white on here. Then we have this soap, and the wings on the butterfly are on the bee are glittery. This is another TokyoMilk product. This is the Just Because soap. And do I see fragrance notes? I do not. I think this is the same scent notes as the hand lotion. It smells very nice though. Their soaps are a little perfumey for me, but they do smell nice. We have something that could be now their bar soaps are too perfumey. I like their liquid soaps. Could be a lotion, body lotion, could be a liquid soap. Let's check it out. Oh, how much does the soap cost, right? You want to know how much this bar costs? $12. By Lollia, we have the Always in Rose and Hibiscus Perfumed Shower Gel. And the Lollia fragrances are usually very subtle. Oh, that smells like you're walking through a field of flowers. And there's rose in there, but it's not a heavy rose. Oh, that's nice. Right now I'm using the Archive one I got in the spring, I think it was a spring box, and loving it. Right, next we have by Infinite She, the last time I got these they were lip balms. Yep, lip balms. This is the Rose Hip and Hibiscus Balm. I think these are going to be clear, but yep, clear. And ooh, that smells yummy. And oh, this one is also Rose Hip and Hibiscus Lip Balm. So one for me, one to share. And that is a $20 value for the two. That's a bonus. Next, this feels like it's a jar, so maybe it's a body butter. This is by the Cottage Greenhouse Essential Aromatics Himalayan Salt and Rosewood Relaxing Candle. Ooh, it's very creamy smelling. This is an exclusive to this box, and it's a $16 value. All right, this is kind of, oh, I think this is the perfume. And this is by Archive, and this is their Journey Within. This is the soap that I'm using right now. This is a $54 value. Ooh. Oh, that's so nice. It's very fresh. We have some cards. So the first one says, you are radiant, sparkling, warm, kind. You are sunshine, and a day to celebrate you. Inside this one says cheers. Inside this one is blank, and this one inside it says shine on. And that's a $16.50 value, and it's from their Infinite She line. Next, this is big. I don't know what this is. It's got a pump on it, so maybe a lotion. It was double bubble wrapped. And this is by Infinite She. It is the Vibrant Hydrating Body Lotion, Japanese Yuzu, Vetiver, Happiness and Positivity are the scents. Oh. Ooh, kind of a little fruity. All right, and here is the last item. And that body lotion was a $32 value. And then last we have this, which is the Drink It All In water bottle. It's a $24 value. This is also exclusive to the box, and it's a nice stainless steel water bottle, and it's gorgeous. All right, so that is my Margot Elena box for summer 2024. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Everything in here I just absolutely love. It's one of my favorite fragrance boxes because you get so many great fragrances that aren't heavy or overwhelming. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.